Okay.
Hi, I'm John Staples, and I've been restoring this DuMont Royal Sovereign now for several months. We finally got it running. This is the biggest black and white television set ever produced. It's a 30-inch direct view set produced in 1952. This set cost $1,800 new in 1952, and as a comparison, a Cadillac DeVille at the same time cost about $3,600. So this was about half the cost of a Cadillac DeVille. This set was found in homes of the very rich, but also in bars, in hotels, places like that. The trouble with this set is, the set consists of two chassis. One chassis is the RF and audio chassis, and the other one is the high voltage chassis. The high voltage chassis was missing on this set, so we had to find one. We had to find a high voltage chassis, and we never did. So what we finally wound up doing on this set is we cannibalized an old vacuum tube based color television set, which has a good high voltage generator in it, and installed that instead. If you come around the back here, you can see that the set is still laid out like on the operating table. You can see this is the chassis of the set that contains all the video and the audio, the tuning components. And of course you're looking at the underneath of it. You can see it's been all recapped. But it's missing the high voltage generator. Now this set runs 20,000 volts on the cathode ray tube, and don't get too close to that, Bill, because that big red object there you're looking at is the metal cone of the back of the cathode ray tube. That's a 30-inch tube. You can imagine that that atmospheric pressure on that tube is just tremendous. Don't get too close, because that whole tube is sitting at 20,000 volts. What you're looking at right now is an RCA color television chassis that we swiped out of a functional color TV set, courtesy of Bill Voigt. And this set, this color television chassis, has in it a 20 kilovolt high voltage power supply, regulated, and this set needs a regulated high voltage, and additional power supplies. And so what we've done is we've wired the RCA set to produce the high voltage and also more power to the other chassis. So they now rely upon symbiotically on each other to power themselves. And just within the last week or two, we've actually been able to make this set work as it should be working, with a good picture, full bright picture. Set that's now 60 years old. Originally sold in 1952 for $1,800. So it's a rare set. It's a rare set that is actually operational. It's going to be one of the prizes in our collection here of operating television sets. Again, the largest black and white television set that's ever been made, the DuMont Royal Sovereign.